Today I will guide you step by step on how to use autofill and password settings inside Google Chrome on your PC. First, I open Google Chrome from my desktop. Then I click the three dots in the top right corner, and from the menu I selected settings. Once the settings interface opened, I click on autofill and password from the left side menu. First I click on payment methods. Here an interface appeared with an add button. When I clicked add, a pop-up opened showing two options, credit card and IBAN. I selected credit card. A new window appeared containing empty fields for card number, name, expiration date and other details. You can enter your card information here and save it, but I clicked cancel for now. Then I clicked the add button again and selected IBAN. A pop-up appeared where I could enter the IBAN number and a nickname. You can fill in your banking details here if you want to save them for autofills, but I cancelled it again. After that, I clicked the back arrow and returned to the main autofill section. Next, I clicked on addresses and more. Here there was another button. When I clicked it, a full form appeared where you can enter your name, phone number, address, city, postal code and other details. Chrome will then autofill this information for you whenever you need. I close it for now. Then I click the back arrow again and selected enhanced autofill. Here I click the add button once more time. A list of different document types appeared, including travel license, ID card, passport, traveler number, radius number and vehicle information. You can store any of these details so Chrome can automatically fill them in later. This feature helps you save time and makes filling online forms much faster and easier. Simply enter your information once and Chrome will take care of the rest. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss my next tech guide.